Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to write an article effortlessly using Penfriend.ai. Head over to Penfriend.ai, create an account and log in. The interface is super simple so you won't feel lost. Now type in your topic or the title of your article and hit the generate button. In a few seconds, this website will generate some ranking titles for your article. Choose one of them and hit the generate outline button. Once you do this, this website will generate the entire article in a few minutes. These articles are well optimized with SEO, with proper heading structure and keyword optimization. That's why I love this website. Once you are happy with the article, just copy and paste it where you want and just hit publish button and boom, you are done. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let us see you in the next video.